Looky what I got, the major. 1129, awesome, plus these others. Let's keep it under 2,000 though. 3 more spins, come on, give me green, green, green. Of course, a mini. Fill it up, get it, get it, get it. Come on, get it. Oh, I'm here in Vegas, get it, get it. All right, this is so cool. Wish they'd fix that silly alarm. Come on, add them all up. Major reset to 500, yes. 1218, and it's not a hand pay. Thank you. Let me try a couple more. Come on. Get it? Come on. These Caesar places, they always have alarms going off. Come on. Get it? Get it, get it, get it. Nope, last spin. Okay. Hope you enjoyed all this. Yes. Hi everyone, I'm back playing Coin Trio Buffalo. I just got all 3. Oh my god. Okay. Big prize award all. Which do I want to do? I usually do the hold and spin. I'll do the hold and spin. Yeah, let me get some good ones. Here we go. Oh, good. A 10. Multiply it. What am I going to get? Mini. Go again. Bigger, bigger, bigger. Minor. Major. Go, 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 go. Major. Go, 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 go. Come on, did it. Go, go, go. Now 16. All right. What's red going to do? 2 times. All right. My 10 is now 20. Now, green should be a word all. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Green should be a word all. Yes. Woohoo! I am loving this game. The only place I've seen it here at Flamingo in Vegas. Nice. Okay, look at this. I already got over 100. Come on, get him, coin. Oh, come on, get it. Get it? Oh. Come on. All right. Come on. Give me a green. Green. Oh, crap. Last spin. Last spin. Get it? Nope. 3 more spins. Come on. Give me another green right here. Sorry. Get it? Nope. Get it? Oh, now this last spin. Come on. No, I get 2 more. Oh, let's fill it up for 14,000. Those are the... Excuse me, the air is dry in here. Come on. A coin. Coin. Nope. Last spin. Nope, this is it. Awesome. $135. A $1.60 bet on pennies. All right. That was cool. I'll do a few more spins. Oh, come on. Oops, sorry. The screen is big. It doesn't fit in my camera that well. Nothing? Come on, flip. Flip. Get it? No. Try a $3 spin. Nope. Get it? Hi everybody, I found I'm of Buffalo. I just sat down here. I'm here in Vegas and try a $3 bet. Never played this. If I can get one of these to flip. Come on. First day here, I've been doing pretty good. Oh, Buffalo. Come on. Lower my bet. Oh, it flipped as soon as I lowered it. Bounty. Let's see what bounty gives us. No, I don't know. I don't do those. Okay, bounty. All right. What does the green one do? Award all. Okay, cool. Ooh, I'm cold. All right, let's get some more bounties. Oh, good, I got another one. Yes, ward all. Nice. 15. More green. Come on. That was it. A little bit of something. 35, that works. Okay. What else we can get? Nothing. Come on. Oops. Come on, Buffalo. Could be in the red one, but it's not flipping. Blue. Come on. Corner, yeah. Oh. Come on, blue. Look, I got power. Alright. I'm doing my hold and spin. Maybe next time I'll try the games. Nice. What does this do? Award all? Mini? Come on, minor, minor, flip, flip, minor, 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 minor. Minor, major, come on, flip. Come on, minor, minor, minor. Come on. Come on. Minor, major, 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 major. Oh, come on, major. Major, major. No. $40, well that's nice. 2 more spins. Five more to go to get 15,000. I'll spin, get it. Yep, 3 more spins, get it. Get it. Oh. Spin. Been nice to got another coin there, but this is nice. Yay, cool. Well, I am liking this. I'm betting $1.60. The lowest bid is 80 cents on pennies. Come on, now we need the red one to flip. Oh, 2 green? No, give me the red one. Come on. Come on, red. Come on. Oh, green flipped again. Bounty. Okay, I'm going to try the games this time. 8 free games. I usually don't do very well on these, on this type of game. Oh, say crap. Upgrade. Alright. It's freezing. $4. Coin. 4 more. Coin. More, come on. Oh crap, last game. Yeah, this is why I don't do the games on these type of free games, because I don't get crap on them. Alright, get me out of there. Come on. $4.30, or rich. Come on. I want the red. Evidently the red is hard to get. Oh. Well, I liked it when I was getting the bonus, but now I'm not liking it. What if you get 2 at the same time? Oh, yeah, if they flip, come on. That's what they look like. Get them, flip, flip, flip. Oh, come on. 2 green. Try a $3 one. Get it? Get it? Give me red. $3.15. double and bounty. Double pop. Nice. So let's see what I'm gonna do. Back to hold and spin. Nice. What do they give me? Oh, nice. Do I get a word all? 2 times. Okay. We're gonna do all of them. Yep, all of them. Nice. Now a word all. Green, green. A word all. Yep. Nice. All right, let's get some more greens. Get it? Red. 2 times. You're gonna do the green one? Yes, $50. Nice. All right. All right. Another green. Get it? Another red. Nice. That's gonna be 100. Nice. Cool. Let's get a red or green. Come on. Uh-oh. Come on. I get it. Three more holes to fill up. Oh, come on. Get it. Last spin. All right. I did really good. Do a few more spins and that'll be it. Come on. Gonna get it, get it, get it, get it, bounty. The blue didn't turn. Okay. Oh, my arm's getting tired. Upgrade on reel 5. I'm gonna stick with that one. Word all. All right. Oh, it's $7.50. All right. Nice. Green. Oh, come on. Oops, sorry. Mini and an award all. Mini's $20. Cool. All right, let's get some more greens there. Oh, 2 more. Come on, something. Nope. $124. Cool. Let's try a few more. Oh. Can we get another red one? Get it, flip? No. Buffalo. Oh, nice. What's that gonna give me? $12 times 12. Rumbling wind. 144. Holy crap. This is nice. Another red. Come on. Buffalo. Oh. Come on. Oh, not doing it. Might be done. Get it, get it, get it. No. So I'm gonna try one $5 one. I got 50 cents. Get it? Nope. Get it? Okay. Let's go. Glow. Last spin. Okay. I gotta stop. My arm is sore from holding the camera up. Tell me what you think of Coin Trio Buffalo. I like it. Good luck, everyone. Thanks for watching.